Hello! Come, let's make some simple sourdough bread. I am adding about 60 to 80 grams of sourdough starter. I fed my starter overnight so I can use it today. Adding about 700 to 750 grams of water. Mixing up to break up the sourdough starter so it's not clumpy in the bread. Adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for flavor and softness. Adding in 1000 grams of flour, 50-50 of all-purpose and whole wheat flour, about 10 to 15 grams of salt. I'm using sea salt. Mixing it up till it all comes together. And then I leave it out for 2 hours, covered on the kitchen counter at room temperature. After 2 hours, I stretch and fold and leave it on the counter again for another 45 minutes and do a second stretch and fold. Then let it rest on the counter for 3 hours. Making sourdough is about patience. If you're able to be patient, the flavor is absolutely amazing. After the 3 hours are up, I shape my dough into 2 loaves and then put them in the refrigerator to bulk ferment for about 18 hours. I like to slowly ferment my dough in the refrigerator for long hours because I find that the flavor is just exceptional. Sourdough is forgiving, so if you play your cards right, you can go as long as 24 hours, especially if you're interrupted and you have stuff to do. Sourdough will stay put till you're ready to bake. It's the next morning and they look so beautiful, risen nicely, and it's time to score them and bake them. I usually bake my sourdough at 445 degrees or 450 degrees for the first 20 minutes, and then take out the steam, and then bake it again for another 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I don't have any particular way of scoring. I just score whatever comes into my head. I just score. I don't have any pattern or anything of that nature. You can score any kind of way that you want. You can just put one small cut through the middle, and which is typical that everybody does. And there you go. Bake your bread and enjoy. And here they are, hot, delicious, and ready to eat after it cools for an hour. Until next time, bon appetit!